All right, if we are identifying the vertical and horizontal asymptotes, okay, the first thing we need to find out is when it's written in a transformational form like this, then what we're looking at are the C and the D values. So the vertical asymptotes are going to be x equals, I'm going to say negative C, because we're going to take the opposite of that C value. And then for the horizontal, it's going to be y equals the D value. Okay, so as long as we can find the C and the D value of all these graphs, then we have the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So if I look at this equation, g of x is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. The C value, okay, since it's minus 1, is going to give me a positive 1. So then that means that our vertical asymptote is x equals positive 1. Okay, and then the D value out here, it is not written. There is no D value, so that's going to be 0. And so we still have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Okay, and so we'll just fill in the rest of this table. Second equation, g of x is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, the C value right here, we take the opposite, so negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2 for the vertical asymptote. And then again, there is no D value, so that is 0. That gives us y is equal to 0. For the third equation down, we have 1 divided by x plus 3. This time there is no C value, so C is 0. So our vertical asymptote is x equals 0. Our D value is 3. Okay, so the horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals positive 3. And then for the last one, we have a C value. This time it says 1 divided by x minus 3, and then minus 4 out here. So this minus 3 becomes a positive 3. So the vertical asymptote is x equals a positive 3. And the horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals negative 4. So again, just to summarize, the vertical asymptote is x equals the opposite of the C value. Okay, so this was a negative 3, becomes a positive 3. And then the horizontal asymptote is y equals the D value. So here's 0, 0, 3, and negative 4. So that's where I got that. You must write it as an equation. X equals that number or y equals that number.